Hello, let's see the solution to HackerRank SQL question. The question is weather observation station 1. It's an easy SQL question. Query the list of city and state from the station table. The station table is described as follow. We have ID of type number. These are the columns or fields. We have city of worker 2 of size 21 characters, state worker 2. We have latitude and longitude, where lat n is the northern latitude and long w is the western longitude. So we're asked to list the city and state from this table. It's an easy select query. Select we going to select city comma state from the table name, which is station.